So I asked Amanda if she wanted some dinner, and she said sure. I made food for both of us, and then felt weird just going back to my room and making her eat by herself. So I sat with her on the couch, and we watched Netflix together for a little bit. Jeff came home and saw us eating dinner, and then was upset at Amanda for not waiting for him. I said that it was my fault. I offered her food because I didn't think he'd be home for a while. Jeff told me to mind my own business, so I said whatever and went back to my room to get back into my game. Jeff and Amanda had a big fight about him being home late and her not waiting to eat dinner with him, and Amanda ended up leaving right afterwards. So then Jeff came into my room to chew me out about having a dinner date with his girlfriend, and said that if I had just let her be, they wouldn't have gotten into a big fight and ruined his whole night. I said it would have been rude for me to cook in front of her without offering her anything, and he said it was rude for me to feed her without checking to see when he'd be home. I said he was being ridiculous, and he left my room, and hasn't really talked to me since. I thought that he was the jerk for sure, but then my friends in the game chat wanted to know what was going on, and when I explained, they all took Jeff's side, and said it was weird that I took it upon myself to hang out with his girlfriend just because she was in our apartment. I thought I was just being polite, and Jeff was probably just in a bad mood because he had to work late. But now I'm wondering if I actually did something wrong. Am I the jerk here? I think I might be, because everyone is acting like this is an aspect of bro code that I should have known about. If I was in the wrong, then I'll apologize to Jeff for overstepping boundaries. Well, who do you agree with? OP or Jeff? Please let us know. Would I be the jerk if I didn't allow my kids to go to their father's new home? My ex-husband and I have been divorced for 4 years, and we have 2 daughters together. My biggest reason for wanting the divorce was his lack of motivation. It started off as something small, but snowballed into a marriage full of anger and resentment. He's never been independent, which I didn't realize when we first got together because we were so young. So when we split up, he moved in with a friend. It was supposed to be temporary because he was only renting a room in a small house that already had 3 other people and 2 dogs, so there wasn't much room for our kids. There was only 1 bathroom, and they didn't have a bedroom of their own, or even beds to sleep in, so they only spent the night maybe 3 times the whole 3 years he lived there. He was also paying a ridiculous amount, basically half the rent plus utilities, even though his other 2 roommates and their daughter had the other 2 bedrooms. On top of that, his roommates were always drunk and fighting. I was constantly sending him listings of reasonably priced places that would be better for him to live with the kids, but he said he was fine where he was. Now his lease ended and he had to move. So again, I tried helping him find some good places, but he said he could handle it, so I let it go. Well, he decided that to save on rent, he was going to move into a utility shed in his cousin's backyard. Literally a utility shed that they renovated by putting down some flooring, hooking up some outlets and an AC unit, and called it an apartment. There are no windows, no airflows, and no room at all for the kids to play. It's about 14 by 9 feet if I had to guess. Pretty much only enough room for his mattress, dresser, and a small fridge. When he has to use the bathroom, he has to go inside his cousin's house. I thought this was going to be temporary as well because he had to move out so quickly. I figured he just couldn't find a place on time. But the other day, I found out that he bought a brand new 2021 SUV, and his justification was that his rent is so cheap now. But I haven't gotten a child support payment in the last 6 months. If I pay, he doesn't pay. It didn't bother me before, because I knew he was struggling and the kids are well taken care of. But this just feels like a slap in the face. He has no intentions of moving. I don't want to take him to court, because it will literally solve nothing except possibly sending him to jail. And I don't want to keep his kids from him either. Would I be the jerk if I didn't let my kids go to his house? Or should I just let them make their own decisions? Edit. Just want to add that I do not mean I would ever take my kids away from their father unless they were in some kind of danger. He's still a good father, and I want them to have a great relationship. He can see them anytime he wants. We don't even follow the custody agreement because we're very civil with each other. My only concern is his living situation. Well, what would you do in this situation? Would you let them go see him or not? Please let us know. I'm telling your manager you're stealing boxes. This just happened as I was leaving work tonight. Some background. I work in the copy center of the local edition of a major national office supply retail chain. I don't have a car, and normally either walk the mile home or try to get a ride with a coworker, as most have to go past my place to get home anyway, and I always ask and never assume. My store manager is currently in the process of leaving, and tonight we were leaving at the same time, and I asked him for a ride home.